Hey guys, it's Cleve from Cleve's Insights. I'm just going to get on here real quick for a short video of these e-bikes. Now, I purchased an e-bike recently, and I don't know if it's really worth it. All the stuff that's going on now with the rules and the government and legislation and all that stuff, I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments about all of this. Watch the video, and hopefully you can enjoy it. Please follow, like, and subscribe. Let's talk about a few things while I'm riding. I just bought this e-bike, and now I'm looking all over the news and stuff where different states are taking and making e-bikes illegal to go down bike paths for those people. I can understand that, but who wants to ride down 100 miles an hour on an e-bike? I usually go about 15 on mine, and we just go right down. No one wants to run over the nice people on their e-bikes. Yeah. But anyway, I just got this bike. I'm going to ride it. I'm going to have a good time. I don't care. If the cops stop me, at least I'll know I'll have my helmet on and all that good stuff. And if they stop me here in Covington, I got a good reason why. The golf carts ride all over the place down here. No one never says anything, so now you have it. We're going to ride on out here. I like the bike. It's not the most expensive bike because I was going to buy a really expensive bike and find out I don't like riding them. But so far the bike is good. I don't like the brakes that much, but it's okay. It'll be okay. What do you guys think about e-bikes? Would you buy one? Let me know in the comments. I'm dying to know. We're gonna ride on out here, see what we can see. Let's move this thing up to pedal assist 2 and charge.